Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. If you have been looking for the best method or strategy to trade volatility 75, then you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you step by step how you can milk volatility 75 market successfully without any hiccups. Okay, but first I welcome you to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. Okay, most especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you want to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen right now. You can send message to me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Don't worry, I'm going to drop them in the description box so that you can have easy access to them. Okay, and do not forget to join our Telegram channel so that you can benefit directly from me. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, feel free to do so now. That's the only way you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Quickly, let's go into what we have for today. But before we dive into it, I would like us to do some market analysis so that we know what is happening in the market at the moment. At this particular point, this is boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. At this particular point, you can see that it got to a resistance level, came down a bit, and also got to this resistance level, and you can see it coming down. Right now you can see the blue line changing from blue to yellow line, okay, which means that the market is on downtrend. That is what led to this very long downtrend. As you can see, this very long downtrend giving us more than 50 candles. Okay, this is amazing, this is amazing. So at the moment it just broke a support level, so we should be looking at the next support level for a reversal in price action. So make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. I have done my analysis using the signal indicator. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000, and I'll be using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, for crash 1000, you can see that it's been on uptrend at a particular point. It's been going on uptrend. It will go on uptrend once it gets to a major support level. Then when it gets to a major resistance level, you see it's crashing down again to that support level. Then it moves up again, and this time around you can see it got to that resistance level here, came down a bit, got to the resistance level here, came down a bit. It's now forming another support level here. It went to that got to that resistance level again, but this time around broke this support level, which led to all the spikes that occurred here. Now it has gotten to the last support level, the previous one that was coming up with this one. It has gotten there and it is now pushing up, and as you can see, just as you know, with the crusher indicator we always get the buy arrow here, and I will have to wait for it to be confirmed. It was confirmed here, and this has actually given us 17 minute candles. Of course it is giving us an exit arrow at this point. So if you are in the market, so make sure you exit the market at this point. So make sure you do your analysis very well before you trade this particular asset, okay, and follow the rules guiding whatever indicator you are using. I have just used the crusher indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, this is boom 500, and I'm using my QDC scraper indicator. Boom 500 is presently on uptrend. Of course it is trying to reverse back a bit here because it broke this support level, but we might be experiencing a spike around there because it is around this support level. Okay, so actually generally it is an uptrend, just the way you have seen it. We can see that it is all green here, and as you can see, it has been spiking since then. It has spiked to this level. So if you are the type that loves selling, then you should wait for the market to turn back into downtrend before you jump into the trade. Okay, that is very, very vital and important. So let's check out what is happening with crash 500, and I will be using the NT indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, for the NT indicator, you can see this long crash. It was on a downtrend there because this is 1 hour time frame, but right now pulling back up, it's trying to go back up on a uptrend. So let's see how far it will go. If it goes successfully above this, then we should experience a crash down around here. Okay, but if it breaks here, then this is the next bust up that we should be looking out for. So that is the way it works. So I'll be stopping here with my analysis. Remember, what we have for today is best strategy for trading volatility 75, and that is what we will be looking at today. We're going to be showing I will be showing you how to identify your best entry point and how to know when to exit the market at this particular time. Then I'll also show you, I'll give you some reasons why you should trade it at a particular point in time. Okay, so these are some of the things we'll be looking at in today's training. So stay tuned and let's watch this to the end. Okay, but if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's move on to the trading platform to see what is happening there. Okay, this is volatility 75, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator to do my analysis here. Just like as you guys all know, that I've been using the QDC scraper indicator to trade boom and crash all this while, and people have been asking if it can actually work for other assets. Of course it can work for other assets, and so many people watched my video yesterday and they were really glad they did, because most of them actually made profits trying out what I explained to them, even though they didn't practice for long, but at least they were able to make profit. So I'll advise you to practice more in order for you to perfect the skill. Okay, I know the indicator looks very simple to use, but you still need to master your skill before you jump into your real life trading. Okay, so this is the way it works. Like I said, all these assets are trend trading assets, makes it very easy for us to analyze and trade with. Okay, so for instance, if you are not even using any indicator and you can do your TA very well, that is your technical analysis very well, then you are good to go. You will know when the market is reversing and when it is changing trend and things like that. You might not know the exact point, but at least you will be able to fit into the trade at the right point. Okay, so that is how it goes. Okay, based on that, I'll be checking explaining some few things to you. Okay, look at this third indicator, this indicator in the third indicator window. Okay, you can see that we have a drop down arrow on this yellow bar, and this red bar started showing up. That shows that the market is about going on downtrend at this point. It's about going on downtrend at this point. And of course, if you check very well, we got our sell signal and it broke out from this line, this 4MA line. It broke out from it here, which means that it will go down for a very long time. There is something I need to let you know. Okay, if you should check, let me take it backward a bit. You can see that it is just coming from an uptrend. Okay, so because it has given you a signal that it will be going on downtrend very soon, does not mean that it will go almost immediately. You can see these 4MA candles. You can see that it is yet to break it. These 4MA candles also serve as support and resistance. It helps us to mark out the support and resistance. You can see that this is a resistance, a support level that it has marked out for us. So it is trying to see if it will break it down or not. So eventually this is actually telling us to start preparing to sell. Okay, it is telling us that we should start preparing for a sell trend, and it broke out from here, which means that it will be selling at this point. And as you can see, it sold from here and downward. It keeps on selling and selling. You can see that, and selling till the trend, the direction of the trend change. Okay, this is where it's changed from. This is where it's changed from. Okay, so that is where you should exit your trade. And as you just the way I have explained the other time, it started selling from here. You can see it started selling from here, and let me just map it out. It started selling from here and closed it here. It got closed here. Let me map it out. It got closed there. You can see the massive profit in between the entry point and the exit point. Okay, so that is the way it works, because it is a trend trading asset. This is actually meant for those that are having enough trading capital, because if you should see on the main chart, we have the entry point arrow and the exit point arrow. We got our entry point arrow here, and it sold for a while before we got our exit point arrow here, which means that we can also turn into an entry point arrow for a buy. Okay, so that is the way it works. I'm going to shoot a video on that very soon, so that you will understand how you can put all these arrows into use. Okay, so this should be the exit point, and at this stage, then you should be exiting your market at this stage, and you can be preparing to buy into the market. Like, as you can see, the trend has changed into uptrend, even though it is yet to go up. And what is the reason? What is delaying it from going up? The resistance level. You can see these 4MA candles forming the resistance level. Each time it is getting to the 4MA candles, it is pushing it backward, because there is a force there, there is a resistance there. Okay, it is pushing it backward. It will go again, it will push it backward, but very soon it will break out from it fully. Once it break out from it fully, then you can buy into it. If you have enough trading capital, you can buy now and wait for it to break out fully. Okay, but I will advise you to wait for it to break out fully before you start buying it into it. Okay, so that you will maximize a lot of profit from it, and you won't be scared while you place your trade. So that is how it works. Okay, guys, I want you to practice with this. Practice with this. I'll make sure you watch this video over and over, so that you will understand the way it works. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen right now. Just send message to me, and I will reply you as soon as possible, and I will also be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So I'll be stopping here for now. In my next video, I will share more light on how you can scalp trade with it, okay, using the arrows on the main chart. You're going to love it. It is fantastic. This is actually meant for those that don't have enough capital to trade. You can use this strategy to trade, and if you're having enough capital, probably you are not having that boldness or enough confidence, or your trading level is still a bit low. Even though you are having enough trading capital, then you can still use that strategy I'll be showing you in my next video. Okay, watch out for that. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola. God bless you.